We've just come from this, male-dominated. Like IDS was male-dominated, and here we are. This is progression. This is being proactive. The time is now.
From our findings, everybody seems to be interested about including gender. Then why is it not included? It is like openly to please the students. Say yes, gender is good, but
behind the blah blah blah, the mask is like,
what is this gender issue? Yep.
So over the last few years, we've had quite a lot of challenges with the Doing Gender course. We've tried running it during the term in 2 or 3 hour sessions. We've tried running it as a 15-unit module. We took it on as a 30-unit module last year, changing the length and the depth of it. And because it's a practical module and because it's about training students in doing things and having the confidence to go out and do things, but also because it involves skills training, doing it in dribs and drabs just hasn't had the kind of effect that we wanted it to have. And so the idea came to invite Gender at Work to come for 2 weeks and to run it as an immersive, intensive 2-week course. And my expectation at the beginning was that this would be a better way of doing things because of the nature of the material.
You mentioned knowledge, and actually I like that you use the word knowledge because gender knowledge is very political.
When we were developing our goal, we felt that gender and sexuality is a very intrinsic part of development and development issues.
And also for Sussex, this is a really good opportunity to experiment with more immersive forms of learning. So I also saw it as a chance to try something out, something different. And it's been great, it's been fabulous. I think I've learnt a lot from seeing them at work. I've also thought a lot about the change of mood, the change of energy that comes about when you move something into a space where that's all you're doing for 2 weeks, rather than you've got a lecture here, you've got a reading here. Things are kind of the level of intensity is much lower. And Joanne and Aruna have just been incredible, really brilliant trainers, but also the students have been really amazing. I think it's brought things out of them that another way of teaching probably wouldn't have done. And they've been so resourceful, and they've been amazing working in teams, very, very collaborative, and very good in terms of, I think, what they've learned. I think they've learned in a deeper way than they would have done if we just stuck to the conventional way of doing things.